Zaza, Kara, Isfune zonke, Ziphelele. Ngobu, ngona, vuka, zama, panda. Bandelik sazalami, bandelik sazalami.
Sanibonani bafowethu, igama uNkosi Esizwe bangazi ngoCrazy abaningi unogwatsho zikhundla umxhumaniswe intambo zakudala nezamanje uvele kuvuka intenja. Scotch never die by mistake by people by jealous bafowethu. I'm here. So today we start our day eSAMRO. Siyavara eSAMRO siziphethela amafayili wethu namaphepha wethu phela mangabe uyi-artist engenamaphepha eSouth Africa uzawudliwa imali. So we're starting there with the team. I have Wiseman, my manager there. I have Coco Maria. I have Uncle CIV doing the Ukshuta Gang. So we're starting off at Sambro.
Nomuntu cela unginikeze uthando wengane yomuntu cela unginikeze uthando ngidinga uthando lwakho ngidinga uthando nomuntu cela unginikeze uthando wengane yomuntu cela unginikeze uthando ngidinga uthando lwakho ngidinga uthando lwakho.
House is where I belong. The beating of your heart is just like a song. Today I share with you a wonderful surprise. In your arms is where I belong. The beating of your heart is just like a song. Today I share with you a wonderful miracle. Let me be your umbrella, Ella, eh. Mi amor, te amo, Bella, corazón, petit chéri, nana, yako kyanga love, namchodo nana, yako kyanga love, sonde me hapalai, kyanga love, kyanga love.
Umntwana womuntu cela unginikeze uthando wengane yomuntu cela unginikeze uthando ngidinga uthando lwakho umntwana womuntu cela unginikeze uthando wengane yomuntu cela unginikeze uthando
Oh, okay. All right. I see you change your system, right? ngidinga uthando lwakho ungena umuntu cela unginikeze uthando wengane yomuntu Okay, this segment I want it alone on the ungisendele yona iyodwa ne.
Alright.
Then you can edit. There's something I want to say.
Alright.
And then ngifuna iyodwa.
Okay.
Mama, we mama, mama, we mama, mama, we mama, mama, we mama. Ubuhle bakho ngathi uphuma kwela, umzimba wakho ngathi ufisha indoni yamanzi, uyangichaza. Mama, we mama, we mama.
Sweet mommy, share live location.
So on the same day ngisuke Sambro mangisuke Sambro ngicedile ngepublishing yaseNdumbeni. I had to go to the podcast called the Big Boss Hustler. Bekuyilanga lakhe lokuthi senze podcast kuvuma with Inkosi Yesizwe. So we had to go there. Then I waited for MT the Hustler promoting his show, the one-man show eyakhe that is happening in Empress Palace. So now we at the podcast sesiqalile siyathatha podcast umnandi. You know MT will make you laugh all day bafethu. So this is what happened.
Ubuhle bakho ngathi uphuma kwela, umzimba wakho ngathi ufisha indoni yamanzi, uyangichaza. Mama, we mama, we mama.
Alingina mema yepana biso yomona babuti banga oyomona bolingo na pesa pona yo maloba ya bato kulanda kate atabalobito pokipete
manje ngisele ngedwa never ngedaliwe thatha inhliziyo yami sondela kimi, 'cause I've been single for a while. Need your tender love, girl, this feel right. Promise me right now that it's you and me together.
The office.
Yes, phakathi ofisini. Lo muntu esidila naye namhlanje. Umuntu obhizi.
Eish.
So that's why I always tell the niggas and nazo to ukuthi umoya has to be honest, cause uzobhaca. And now I think one of them is meeting what I was telling him yesterday. Yeah.
Yeah, man. So if you come to me with good energy, you're gonna get good energy from me. You come twerking, then I don't know.
I trust me. Waphethu ngicela ngithole namathikithi the Big Hustle one man show is happening in Empress Palace.
On the
Make sure.
8th of March.
Yeah. It's gonna be a big one.
Yeah, definitely. And I even have all my supporters coming from other countries as well. Yeah. And so yeah, I mean, I'm grateful to like. I can't even put it in words, you know. super grateful, and I hope now people have come to their senses because they were lost. These past 2 years, every day they've been seeing like some hurtful shit and ridiculing me. But when I drop, all that disappeared.
And my friends wakho bro, they are loyal. MT, I think uNkulunkulu kuphenye into abanye abantu abangenayo mfethu, like ama fans wakho loyal mfethu. Every time you go to Facebook you'll see a fan posting you. Every time you can't scroll mhlambe ka3 ungakamboni uHustler. That's too much, bro.
Yeah, man, it's a blessing, bro. Like, it's years of patience, practice, and sacrifice.
Yeah.
Yeah, bitch ass niggas, don't say I sacrifice my friends. These people, they like to say, every time I lose a friend, they say I sacrificed you.
Yeah.
SK passed away, RIP my dog. Label passed away,
Yeah.
RIP my dog. CUT passed away, you know, and you get those small minds. While I'm grieving even, yeah, you sacrifice them.
So much pain, bro. But I know that you love pain.
Illuminati in South Africa. Asinamali. Labantu badila ngabantu abanemali. Thina sasiphandela la. Nalokuncane okutholayo bafuna ukuthatha. People don't want to let us be.
Bafethu nizwileke le ndaba ye-Illuminati niyeke niyikhiphe emlonyeni yenu nasemathenweni.
So truth, yeah, I'm not a hard worker. Truth, I didn't plan this shit. I didn't have a what do they call those boards? Something boards. Yeah, vision board.
Yeah, vision boards, yeah.
Nigga, what? You think I don't have plans? You don't think I don't have a diary? You think I don't have a vision board? You think I don't book studios? Where was the Illuminati when I was walking from Hebrew to Raf? Going to record.
Shout out to Raf, bafethu.
Even now, where are they? Show me. For real, man. All these OGs praising Tupac. When he was alive, what did he do? Because when he was alive, you hated rap.
Yeah.
You hated hip hop. Now all of a sudden,
I expected that you whip it on that level, bro. It's you. It's not just anybody saying that, yo, bro, oh yeah, really, cheese boy chasing.
Yeah.
So I enjoyed it. It was Lee.
It was the one.
Nah, I enjoyed it, man. For real.
What do you think, Mzee?
It's wonderful.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Oh.
Hi,
I'm MT, and these are 3 tips on how to control a crowd.
hi, my name is MT. These are 3 tips to control the crowd. First of all, utilize the whole stage and stand on one spot. Second of all, get the crowd involved. Whether you do an encore or can you feel the something, you know, let the fans know that and the crowd are one. And give it your best performance because that's how you will be remembered.
Thank you so much.
Oh shit! You need to give us. Where is the certificate? Okay, yeah, you show me live. It is. Yeah, I'm gonna get you in Sabo. I'm gonna put you on maybe next week.
No problem. For my meantime, I was at home in Cape Town.
Yeah. Okay. This side. Kilo. If I leave you with that laptop, uzongifakela lezi zinto.
Nice, my chin. Oh, bengithi vlog bese ngizobuya.
Okay. Uzoka umzila. Okay. Salutas. Well sharp, yeah, but it's coming back now. Uzoknikeza ibag. Okay. Yeah. So badalile mari. Okay. God kuluka. Right. Awubadalitiki fast.
Yeah, man.
The very same day ubonelisa ukuthi vele hayasiphumula singama-artist and if uzolala ngeke uthole ihuncence, angeke uthole inyuku, ngeke uthole the connections. Yabo igame it's very small. So MT time and crazy ngithathe man ngivayise, I have a shoot no Chichila Main. So we had to go to a shoot yaka Hasla ku Chichila Main. Chichila Main beka shooting video on this day. So it's Sambro, the podcast, then Chichila Main, the same day. What?
Atamukile beba nango kala ekotinda yote yoyina bandeko na yote yeah man. Mama yebisaki nga utakala kosambela ka mingi pona yote ambela ka pona baninga na yo baina yote yeah
Oh my inzondo isiqhela ukudlula uthando. Yeah, sometimes I find myself praying for my enemy. Ngoba njani na when you shining up bangani bazokujikela nami anginalutho ihlozi ilithemba lami futhi isiphiwo sami isesiphile enhlizweni yami. Sometimes I don't sleep at night. Cabanga ngabangani bami laba bangishiya manje nginabanye abangani angifuni bangishiya. Nkosi yami, would you bless them? I pray for them.
Mutema nangibetaka te pona bayini banga mingi na mitungisaka pona baninga banga Zambe sala ke mitema na bangwe balukela ngate, ngate.
My G. Oh, crime inside.
Look at you, Donkey J. You fucking gave it and shit. Nigga, look at you, nigga. You fucking gave it. Oh, I didn't even reckon.
Sorry, Machine.
See, it was me.
You cut your hair also. You cut your hair.
My dreads are down, man. This not such a.
Are you back?
Yeah, I'm in the cars.
Yeah. You wanna catch them early this year?
This year, we're dropping this in the fair. We're dropping this.
Okay, you know what to do now?
I'll handle it.
Where do you have like just units? Buzz me so I can make sure I put on what's in
And then,
This is your
yeah,
phone.
but it's because there's a
Let me see. I think I should have.
just to
So yeah.
I've been here since our bank is dead and shit. You feel me?
Nice. So good.
You have my number there.
I want you to
It's on voicemail, bro.
Yeah, no, I said I told my
Oh, it's off. No, it's cool.
Yeah.
As long as I have this one, I'll let you out.
What are you doing?
Right now, the rolling with still on
That's easy. That's all for me. Also, that's my podcast.
Yeah, that's cool.
So we'll link up. Now, by the station crazy. When you handling with Gigi.
Please, Kalaga, Atune, Kalaba Pass, who we go to Pagaba Pass, Hagan Loom, to the La Paz, Ushunwa, Hajoga Park, Hajoga Park, Shadi Sak, Sedamaka, Kamla, Asampe, 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 Kamla, Asampe, 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 Soka.
Funi dash, funa mina mele ufake isandla, push inkani ngizophanda, push bright fake izazi, akusafani nakuqala, bona ushuna ukhuphukile, nami kumele ngilale ngidlile, yiko ngilala ngisebenzile, buye kukazi, qala phansi, now awazi, ngiphishisela abaphansi, flow ngibashonisa phansi, leni rough, buye kukazi, dlala idive, thanda i-vibe, funa izakhi, fake imali, webafana bami, lela lisutshane ngcono lethi mini, ajili yabiza webafana, ngabuzolibheja ngemali, 20k, 40k, 60k,
flesh. Benzing well or quell, Sunday sweat again, Massaman, sinking through Pegwen, Sango Melelwen, Massaman, Kumelunyaman, Sia Kukanye, Massaman.
The very same day, now we at Inkavi Records, driving from West Rand. Sesise Inkavi Records, Ziakala, nangu Zayna uyafika. Zay is MT's artist. Uyafika naye sino Big Zulu kumnandi nje nama producer atshintsha ey'hlalweni the likes of Links. Kuyashintshashintshwana nje kumnandi lapha nokudla nakho kuyangena lapha kuyadliwa lapha hawu kube ne-studio session esimnandi. I think sihambe lapha ekuseni ngaboma around 1 a.m. So this tells you ukuthi if you wanna get into the game you need to work hard. You don't have to sleep. You mustn't sleep because if you sleep labantu abaphakathi egaming they don't sleep.
Amaphupho wami wonke azofeze namaphupho wakho wonke azofeze namaphupho wami wonke ayafeze namaphupho wakho wonke ayafeze Mama, no baba, ngiyabonga nangigcinela ithonga lami namhlanje nyanyuka nespirit siyakhula bathi sihlalo sakho sifanele lesikhunda umandumane yathumezwe sengivula amaphika entabeni uyokhala abafana emcitheni uyoshikila intombi efuleni umandumane yathumezwe sengivula amaphika entabeni uyokhala abafana emcitheni uyoshikila intombi efuleni. Ngibonga thando lakho ngokungisusalana dalwa ngibeka lana dalwa ngibeke emazulwini lapho ngifisa khona izulu encane nami ngiyabonga webabo bongo lokuncane kubongo lokukhulu nami wangifihla nko angisemncane ngente amaphutha kodwa ngishintsha nko kube kwamele ngihlupho lami Tole maseti ngibhekele ekhaya ngijabulisa umama lapho la ngiphuma khona mina kase kwabalu lapho ngadalwa khona mina kase kwabalu kodwa ngesiphiwo sami impilo seba ngcono amaphupho wami wonke azofeze namaphupho wakho wonke azofeze
Cultural abantu abamnyama ha
sekuyilo
ngathi uyafile la
ngathi zama ukunda Nekwata le mala
ebona challenge
uyabona umuntu yashintsha What now?
Wanda ulale boxini. Yeah, yona yo hayi.
Sabantu phela.
Siqinisele yini.
You see the color of my skin?
Yeah.
we African child ongamazwe cela uhlala uwazi uyiqhawe we African child ongamazwe cela uhlala uwazi uyiqhawe nawe samina Africa, this one's for Africa. Samina, Africa, this one's for Africa. When I wake up with the sun in my eye, this little light of mine, I'ma let it shine. God, He give me wings, let me fly. Hey Africa, my paradise. Kosi singelela. This one's for Africa. Bonga bantwana bako. This one's for Africa. Maputo to Nigeria, Angola to Somalia, Congo to Malawi. This one's for Africa. Tunisia to Lesotho, Botswana to Nairobi, Zimbabwe to Burundi. This one's for Africa. We African child, ongamazwe. Cela uhlala uwazi uyiqhawe. We African child, ongamazwe. Cela uhlala uwazi uyiqhawe. Nawe samina, Africa. This one's for Africa.
Ngiyabonga bafowethu for watching this exciting episode. Please don't forget to share, subscribe and comment bafowethu. Ngithi mina crazy baby, you know what it is, you know what it does. Blah.